It's your boy Mixed by Keith here on behalf of UniversalBlackMedia, and we're here at the tire shop with my man and his Hellcats. We about to go to this car meet, see what it's like, see what the vibe is like. This is my first time going to a car meet. Is it your first time?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so first time for everything, they say. So you say, hey, TC, where you at? Come talk some shit for the people, man.
Oh, you want to do it right here?
My guy right here, yeah.
What's up? I'm already live and direct.
This is a little intro.
Damn, I'm already live and direct.
Yeah. Don't freeze up now.
Money man.
You know, look at the camera. Stop looking at your phone.
I was in the middle of texting. My fault. But I don't even know what the fuck to say. I'm glad you can edit it.
Come on, man. Hold up.
Bloopers.
Yeah.
This nigga get nervous and look at his phone every time. That nigga get stuck in
I was already on it.
Oh, let me look at my phone.
And action.
You got two Hellcats out there. You better talk.
All right.
Don't freeze up now.
We around tonight, you know, little meet tonight. We bringing the cats out. We got the toys out tonight.
Not one, but two.
Not one.
Not one, but two. Right.
Dos.
Following years. What was that, 2019?
Yeah.
2019? 2020. 21.
Yeah, just right.
Not one, two. What me say? I don't even want to buy it if I can't come too. And that's his favorite rapper. That's his favorite rapper too.
That's not my favorite rapper.
Yo, he frying. No, he frying.
I went over
his favorite rapper.
I went over to J. Cole.
Oh no.
Oh shit.
That's what you call a fair weather fan.
But no, we can.
As soon as Meek got booked his own, J. Cole my favorite now.
But look though, we gonna provide you with some special UBM content today. Today is gonna be different content.
Courtesy of my God.
Yeah, it's some different type of content tonight.
Man. You saying? Stay tuned.
Gonna be around.
Stay tuned. Yo, show them the back. Yo, this is the first time y'all ever seen a Hellcat with a BBL. We call this the BBL Hellcat. Wide body.
Wide body.
What Jay Chris say? Big body take up
Two
two lanes.
Sheesh.
Look at the ass on this thing. Look at the ass. Ass fat? Yeah, I know.
Yeah, I know. Not one. Two.
No, you gotta get the SRT.
Oh yeah, this ain't no Hemi.
This ain't no 392.
That's a cat.
This ain't no Daytona.
Big cat. Niggas said they outside.
It's your boy Mixed by Keith on behalf of UniversalBlackMedia. We finally at the meet. Y'all about to see what's up.
Yo, this John, wow.
I can't even get in the pit.
It's too much. Cops can't shut this down. How they gonna shut it down? They can't even get in.
Y'all stay right here. I'm about to go get my wheel.
His hand's dirty. law has came. The law has came. Oh, officer. Boom. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, spin that joint, officer. Niggas is out.
Shit, at least we got some good ones. You still recording?
Barely.
Yeah, man. You see, we got some good content. It
Oh,
was getting
shit.
lit, but the popo came.
Oh, shit. He fucking his will up. Need a push. Oh, shit. He fucking his shit up. Got your bag.
Y'all got that on footage.
What, boy fucking his shit up?
Yeah.
He fucked his shit up.
No, I wanted to make a U-turn because I didn't know how crazy it was going to get.
Niggas be bringing their shit like that. That dude must got some souped up shit in there. He got his hood on.
Take heat, fuck these niggas up.
It's him again with the 10-skin toe preaching brimstone. Until the man is singing and everything that was meant for him. Know one thing, and that's the law sent me here to be king.
And them glitz niggas going to work. And we slide, we slide, we slide, we slide, we slide. And we slide, we slide, we slide, we slide, we slide. Putting it in for all my dogs that never made it home. Spending nights all in the booth and I didn't stay alone. Trying to chase 100 million, it won't take me long. When all these niggas went against me, it just made me strong. And I don't need nobody help, I do it by myself. Been taking risks before the fame, I keep it by my belt. Ain't have a dollar to my name, you don't know how I feel. We all slide, if he all sides. When they call my homie slipping, it's like we all die. Thinking about us close together that day, we all cry. Popping person, sipping lean, and now we all high. Turn me savage, I got traumatized from homicides and all these caskets. Got me out my mind, can't go outside without that ladder. I go up and fail, your dreams will get shattered. Bullets hit the window, all you seen is niggas scatter. It don't matter. Lost my daddy, kindergarten, I got better. When I was 12, was living in hell and lighting that gas up. So by my dog, no, we gon' match her. Got me feeling like the realest nigga on this earth. Tryna wash away my sin, cause I been doing dirt. If I press a button on you niggas going to church. Load them 30s and them glitches, niggas going to work. When we slide, we slide, we slide, we slide, we slide. Yeah, yeah, we slide, we slide, we slide, we slide, we slide.
My man in that joint drum. He in that joint drum. Yeah, we outside. We outside. We outside. My man spinning on them niggas. Okay. Yeah, Jim Carrey.
Uh-huh.
Yo, light this joint up.
Look how clear this shit look.
Yeah, man.
iPhone X.
Oh, shit.
This shit look clearer than my damn 11. He almost got hit. Oh,
He was spinning that junk. He said, I'm gonna show y'all a little thing or two.
Go show him how it's done.
That shit about to blow up.
Nah.
That shit about to blow up.
In the Hellcat.
Yeah!
Knocking out for sure, yo. This shit popping on here. UBM signing out. I can't wait till y'all see this video. This shit is wet.
Right now, you need to check out this scene right in the heart of Center City as drivers were drifting, they were doing donuts, other really dangerous stunts in front of a huge crowd of people and standstill traffic. NBC 10's Brandon Hudson is live at City Hall where things have finally calmed down, Brandon.
It is quiet out here, Lucy, but since our last live report, we have moved closer to where all the action happened. I want you to look in the middle here, 15th and Market. You can see the tire marks, the donut marks that are right here in the middle of the street. It looks like a Target right there. It is concentrated right in this area. But I want you to check this video out. We pulled this video from a live stream. It is a high-angle view of two cars drifting in circles right outside of City Hall. You can see that police are there, but they're more in a crowd control type role. Now, from a ground view, we show you how these cars came close to the people in the crowd. Now, look, police say that this is a dangerous trend. I know the crowd that was out here overnight, they see this as a good time. They see this as a fun time, but police say this is a dangerous trend. They want this to stop. Our NBC 10 News Desk has been on top of this all overnight. I checked in with them about 15 minutes ago. They said no injuries and no arrests. We will continue to check back with them throughout the morning and throughout the day. Reporting live here at City Hall in Center City, I'm Brandon Hudson, NBC 10 News.